Now you will be very surprised that when you download our kit to overcome depression without medicine, we have given all the answers to your questions. None of your questions will remain. You will have only positive effect, only peace of mind, only joy and strength by following all the activities step by step. We have given the order of the activities, we have given the duration for which you have to do the activity. Whether you have mild depression or moderate depression, in both cases, we have clearly given you guidelines. I have personally helped to make this kit. My inputs based on my experience of 25 plus years are all there given in this kit. Why am I doing it? Because I want to help many people like you who are living so away from me. And in this world, this self-help kit comes with a very user-friendly process. You can download it on your mobile. So go ahead and download the treatment plan given in the kit, download the kit and start using it.